Let's open that up and see how it goes. So we'll take that skill like so, and then we'll go over to OpenClaw and we'll just install that one as well. And we'll say install this. And you can actually see when the skill was last updated as well, which is useful. And then you can see all the documentation guides here. So you've got the changelog, the tags, what the current release does. So for example, for this SEO skill, it can do technical SEO audits, it can do AEO recommendations, content readability analysis, etc. And then you can see all the cool stuff it does here. Right. And then it's installed that. So you can install all of these skills in like one click just by copying and pasting the GitHub link and the information from the GitHub page. And then you can just pick and choose whichever skills you want. I wouldn't recommend choosing them all. I would actually just recommend looking through the list and going, okay, which ones are the most relevant to me, right? So for example, for me, I have an SEO agency. So installing the SEO related skills would make a lot of sense, right? Some other cool stuff that you can see here, you got like Ralph loops as well. What else we got inside the... Yeah, it's all sorts of cool stuff inside here. Calendar and scheduling, that sort of thing. There's so much here. So, seems really cool so far. Again, always check the skills before you install them. Pretty simple and easy to use. I've got a full guide on how to use this as well, as you can see right here. But just to recap, this helps you turn OpenClaw into a fully automated business system using the Community Skills Vault, right? Now, what is the Skills Vault? So OpenClaw runs locally on your machine. On its own, it's already powerful, but the Skills Vault makes it more powerful in the best way, right? Think of it like this. OpenClaw is learning new skills and just upgrading all the time each time you add stuff inside here. So for example, if you're running a business, well, the most useful skills and categories that would be useful for you are, for example, like search, AI, browser automation, marketing and sales, productivity tasks, image and video generation, all sorts of cool stuff like this, right? Now, you might be thinking, okay, why is this different from other stuff? Well, if you've already got OpenClaw, it's powerful and it's useful, but it doesn't have all these skills pre-installed, right? So it doesn't know how to do a lot of workflows. It's just kind of guessing. Whereas each time you add a new skill, you're training on how to do that specific thing. And again, like just be careful when you install this stuff. And if you want a 30-day plan, we've got a 30-day plan with example skills and stuff you can add inside here as well for using this stuff. But yeah, it's really easy to add these. I mean, even if you're not technical, you can just add the skills. These are all free that you can add as well. And I would just pick and choose the ones you want. You don't need to install like 2,800 skills. That would be crazy. I also have a list of 100 prompts you can test out these skills as well, as you can see right here. And just to recap, here's everything that we covered today. So what the OpenClaw Skills Vault actually is, OpenClaw is a locally running AI system that operates on your machine. The Skills Vault is a curated collection of over 2,800 community skills sourced from ClawHub's registry. These skills extend your agent's capabilities, connecting it to external services, automating workflows, and performing specialized tasks, as you can see with OpenClaw. Now, why it's different is like most AI tools inside, well, with OpenClaw, you've got like a blank canvas, and this trains up the blank canvas to be way more powerful. And if you want to install any skill, literally all you do is you can run this command, or you can just paste the skills GitHub repository link into OpenClaw. I'd recommend that approach, to be honest. I think that's fast right here. So thanks so much for watching. If you want to get a full guide on this, it's all inside the AI Profit Boarding, link in the comments description. We have new guides inside here every single day, as you can see. So for example, today we've already added 4 new guides based on the new automations that came out, and we update this daily. This is my AI automation community on School that helps you save time, scale, and grow with AI automation. We have a supportive, helpful community of 2,500 people, which means there's always people online to help you. So if you post any questions inside the community, you get help and support whenever you need it. We also have a daily accountability group. So if you struggle with information overload or overwhelm or anything like that, you can ask questions right here. Inside the calendar, we have weekly coaching calls. You can jump on weekly video coaching calls and get help, meet the community, ask questions, share your screen, etc. If you want to meet people in your local area, we've got the map, so you can zoom in on the map and ask questions. You can DM people, ask if they want to jump on a Zoom call, that sort of thing. We also have over 130 pages of testimonials from people getting results with our school communities, as you can see. So it's pretty awesome. For example, like Eric landed a new client. Russell was selling AI avatar videos to clients. Dan was in the AI boardroom for 2 weeks and landed his first customer. So there's a lot of people getting awesome results, which I love. And then also inside the classroom here, you can see all of my best training. So for example, if you want to go from beginner to expert with AI automation and learn how to build your first AI agent in under 5 minutes, you can do that right here. If you want to get my playbooks on, for example, how to automate AI avatar videos or Instagram or Shorts or X and Twitter, you can do that with this section here too. If you want to learn, for example, all the latest updates each day and stay updated with the new stuff that comes out, you can see this section right here with the new updates.